Hey guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. It's time for another What I Ate Today. What's the matter?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Well, recently we got back into our outdoor biking, which is very exciting.
We're about to go in a little while.
Yeah,
and it's super hot today.
It is super hot, which is why we need to get out there.
I know.
Before the hotness takes over. So, I'm having a made good to start the day because I don't want to eat anything too heavy before we go out, especially since it's so hot. So, just a little made good. Delicious.
I just woke up, so I'm going to be having a cup of coffee first in here. I already have my oat milk in there. I'm using Oatly, the original one today. My coffee's almost done. It is Lavazza. This is so good. If you guys know coffee, this Lavazza Classico is so good. Actually, all of their different flavors are really good depending on what you like in your coffee. But, it is smooth as a baby's buttock. And I'm probably going to have maybe a slice of toast or something too before we go biking, just so I don't pass out. Nothing heavy though, but I'll show you if I eat anything else. Alright, so I decided I need a little bit of something in my stomach, so I've got half a ciabatta here with some tomato and Gardein chicken tender leftover from the grilled romaine salad the other day. Oh, that was such a good one. Such a good one, and I can't lie, I had one spear of asparagus.
Ooh, what do we have here? Who would have guessed that I'm having oatmeal for breakfast? So here we go. Okay, this is post bike ride. I am so hungry, and oatmeal I find is one of the best recovery foods after you exercise. It's really good for you. So I just have the rolled oats in here, a little bit of almond milk, some very smooth peanut butter, and a handful of blueberries. So I'm gonna go enjoy that. I actually haven't been having oatmeal for like the last 2 days, which is unheard of for me. We had some bagels in the house, so... But today I'm back to the oatmeal, and I'm very excited.
My, oh my, it looks like a lunchtime flyover. What are you having?
Oh my goodness. So we have so many good things to choose from leftovers-wise, so I decided...
Ooh, grape leaves.
Alright, first things first, salad. Let's start there. Okay, so I have this...
Oh, you have the grilled romaine underneath.
Grilled romaine that we had the other night, and I figured I have to eat this immediately before it gets all disgusting and gross. Right. So I have that. Then I have some of this beautiful Greek salad on top. Right. Amazing. And then some homemade dressing.
That's homemade ranch in the...
Don't be fooled by the container.
Yeah, it's just because, you know, you lose a lot of mayo when you make the ranch. So I might as well just make it in a container. If it's like half empty, you might as well just, you know. Yeah.
And then I'm also having stuffed grape leaves from last night, which are just so good.
They were probably the best we've ever had.
They're really good.
We picked the leaves from our grapevine. They were so tender. Mark made the best selection of picking the leaves. There was not a stinker in the bunch. They were all very tender and young. So summer. Delicious. Yeah, summer.
Whoa. I love summer. And I also have a random little cauliflower wing from Tattooed Chef from the other night.
Right, this is the grilled salad leftovers. That's pretty much what Sean is having on some chopped romaine with a couple of grape leaves on there, the chicken tenders. I'm having basically the Greek salad, chopped romaine, grape leaves, and some of the dressing as well. So that is lunch. I didn't eat anything after the bike ride. Crazy. I was just so hot and like not hungry. That's a good thing.
I was very hungry.
That's a good thing. But I did have that half a ciabatta with the with this so, and the tomato. So that really held me for a while. I was gonna have some cantaloupe to snack on, but we decided to eat early. Yeah, we're gonna have nice cold cantaloupe later. Ooh, baby.
We are right in the process of filming a recipe video right now.
Yeah. It's so hot in here.
Should be the video before this.
we're having a snack.
Yeah, we're having some cantaloupe. Yum. So we're just gonna snack on that in between adding things to this beautiful stir-fry.
Delicious.
Yeah.
This is so cold and so sweet.
Yeah, it's really hot in here right now.
Mmm.
All right, enjoy.
I will.
It's dinner time.
At the Oasis?
Maybe.
Alright, so
We have a beautiful meal here.
Hey, what a coincidence. That looks like, Monday's video.
Cause it is. Yeah, this is
I am most concerned about cooking.
Our favorite tofu stir-fry.
yeah, Mom's amazing tofu stir-fry.
I hope you guys try it because it's really, really delicious.
Yeah, we've got the bok choy in there. We've got the tofu. We've got onion. We've got some
Mushrooms.
white rice on the bottom. I like to put peanuts in mine.
Yeah, you could do that.
Mm-hmm.
I hope you enjoy.
I will.
It's like dessert, but we already ate it.
We did.
It was so good.
Yeah, this is
We had company, so we weren't going to whip out a camera and be
phone
like...
rings, door chimes, in walks company.
Yeah, we weren't going to whip out the camera and be like, this is what we're eating.
Well, we did that during dinner, but...
But they weren't in the room, really.
Okay. Well, yeah, we had these. You made these yesterday. It's a new fave.
Yeah.
Tell
What
us
would you
what it
call
is.
them? Basically, it's puff pastry with peanut butter and dark chocolate chips in it. I know, right? Accidentally vegan and on purpose delicious.
Maybe like chocolate peanut butter roll-ups or something.
Yeah. I guess we could do these on the Friday live stream.
Yeah, that's a possibility because it's delicious and it's super easy.
Yeah. So let us know if you want to see those on the Friday live stream because we'd love to make them for you.
Yeah, I mean, it's just like puff pastry, peanut butter, and chocolate chips.
All right, well, don't give it all away. Shh. Maybe on the Friday live stream we'll do half of those and half a new recipe.
Ooh.
A new filling.
Yeah.
Right?
I'd
We
love
could
to
do that.
some sort of like berry.
Yeah,
something.
like maybe oh, I'm not even gonna give it away now. Forget about it.
Give it away, give it away.
Take a lock. Lock it up
All right.
till
well,
Friday.
That is what we ate today.
Yeah.
So we hope you guys enjoyed this and we're not bored to tears.
By no means is this what you should eat. This
No.
is just what we ate.
This is just what we ate. So there you have it. Let us know if you guys enjoyed it. Gives it a thumbs up.
Smash the subscribe button.
And let us know what you've been eating.
It's free after all. Thanks guys, and until next time, much love.